everybody, this is YouTuber King bringing you duel video number 4. This is against Webby Gears. So yeah, using my wind-up deck, obviously deck of the month. So hi, good luck, and have fun. Bakura. Hence not that good. I got Kitten, Sangan, Tour Guide, these two. And he goes first. Let's see what he has. Same. Okay, I'm gonna widen the view a little bit, and yeah. Anyways, hold on. Oh, I think he's playing some type of dragon deck. Dragon's Gunfire. Okay. So he's playing a Dragon Burn deck, I guess. That's what it looks like. Sound inflicts damage to your opponent. Okay, well, I'm gonna get rid of that right now. If I can. Sing and bounce him. No, I'd rather Zenmaines. Remember, if anyone has a wind-up Zenmaines, if they want it, I would trade, like, that's like my #1 priority over everything. Yeah. I need that more than Tour Guides. I need that more than Zenmighties or Zenmaios. So, yeah. No, Scrap Iron Spherical. Okay. I wanna pay half my life points to negate that. That'd just be foolish. But anyway, so what I was saying is that I'm gonna start posting more vids and stuff. Well, I have. After all the duels, I might do like some random duels on Dueling Networks with some, I don't know, deck suggestions stuff. If you want to duel me on Dueling Network, my name is Yugi Slifer, so feel free to ask or anything. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Normal summon him. Can affect. Then I'll bounce him. Then I'll attack just for the heck of it. And negate it? No. Oh, I should have MST'd it. Wow. That wasn't so smart of me, but I should have. I could have. And I would have, if I remembered it was there. Okay, we're doing good on time. 15 minutes in. Komuri Dragon. He's definitely playing some type of dragon deck. Don't know what type. And he destroys my kin, obviously. That's how much? 600? Yeah. Is he gonna attack Zenmaines? Come on. Gonna do anything? Okay, so that's 1600. He can destroy me next turn. Oh, that's not good. I have an idea or a plan. So first, I'm gonna blow him up and then take one off and face, destroy him. Oh, I should have normal summoned Sangan. Wow. Whatever. Come on. It's destroyed. Oh my god. What is he doing? Oh, he quit the duel. Oh, that was convenient. Well, this is what I was gonna do. Gonna attack him. That sends him to the graveyard, so both of these are gone. Then that discharges one. At the end phase, I use Zenmain's effect to blow him up, and then could have attacked him with this, but yeah. So yeah. And then I had a judgment. So anyway, that was the duel. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah, hope you guys liked it. If you want to see the deck of the month, like the deck profile for this, click right here. I made some changes to it. I took out a Hunter. I added a Genex Alley Birdman, and I took out some other stuff. I took out Trish and Brio and put in Tyrus and Adrius. So those are basically all the changes I made, I think. And yeah, so click on Kamui Dragon for the deck of the month profile. For duel number 5, click right here. And to subscribe, which is free, click right here. When you subscribe, basically when you open your YouTube and you log in, it shows like all the new videos that I updated. So yeah, and it's completely free and everything. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I ordered Order of Chaos booster box, so I will be opening that shortly. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, later guys.